Good morning, Chuck and Paige here with No Time to Be Sad. It's kind of cool this morning, huh? You can tell the burning season has started. It's a little hazy outside. There's always a nice breeze here, so the air quality is usually pretty good right here. Bangkok's got it bad right now. Yesterday was Teacher's Day. I got to make my roti. I had my favorite masaman, but the mafias decided to dress up like school children. Changgao. Changgao. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Crazy kids. And we had a pretty good time. That was pretty fun, huh? We had our little walking street. I don't know why it's not that big of a deal right now. It just hasn't really taken off here quite yet. But they did have a little show last night.
ผมจับเวลาจริงๆนะฮะ
ต้องขออนุญาตเปลี่ยนแปลงราคาของคะแนนนะคะค่ะจาก10 บาทเป็น20 บาทนะคะ1 คะแนนต่อ20 บาท
ทุกท่านครับ
ค่ะ
หลังจากที่ว่าพูดแล้วผมเอางี้ดีกว่าฮะ
Yep, they're all dudes. It was a dude show. You missed it. Today's gonna be a fun day. Today's gonna be a great day. We have a wedding to go to tonight. Another wedding, another fancy wedding. And we'll take a walk around the town and see what's happening. Tomorrow I'm gonna go on a bike ride. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the bike ride tomorrow. I'm not quite sure which direction I'm gonna go yet, either Mukdahan or Nakhon Phanom. So, not a lot of stuff happening. We have Chinese New Year at the end of the week.
Maybe they have decoration in Nakhon Phanom. For Chinese New Year.
Lots of Chinese decorations.
On a bicycle.
On the bicycle path, yeah. Yeah, we could do that. Anyway, good morning. We really haven't been doing too much today. Was gonna go walk to the market, but it's really hot outside, so we didn't. We just kind of hung out and people watched on the porch. Now we're getting ready to go to the wedding. They have they say they're having it catered by this place in out of Sakon, out of Nakhon Phanom, which last time they had really amazing seafood. And but Paige can't eat seafood. But they do, she can eat fish. But that's about it. So I've been planning our trip today to Singapore. But I think 4 days max in Singapore. Maybe a cruise, I'm not sure yet. Look at how beautiful your plant is now. There is fixing to be lots of people coming through here. Yes, boring day. You're not fat. What happened?
She look big. Like.
And the picture? Tell her you have a skinny app.
Ping ping. Oh, she don't wear jacket.
คือโรงเรียนถาดคือว่ามีแต่ย่อยอาชีพก็ยังขึ้นอยู่
Okay, we're here. Well, I see the Chang trucks. Chang again. My father-in-law gets invited to every wedding and every funeral in Tapanong. Your dad gets invited to every wedding and every funeral. There's the bride and the groom, I'm guessing. They got the lights off because they're taking pictures over there. Cheers. Hey, you got her beer. I think there's a hot dog in there. This is a Chinese style wedding. The one we did the other day was Vietnamese, right? This is more Chinese. They're trying to figure out what that was. It's some kind of shell. Mafia says it's very expensive. It kind of tastes like imitation crab meat.
No,
They're playing Empire Strikes Back music.
ท่านผู้มีเกียรติที่เคารพครับท่านจะเห็นได้ว่า
Funny
ทั้ง
stuff.
เจ้าบ่าวใช่ใช่เจ้าบ่าวขอบคุณนะครับที่ให้ความรู้จากนี้ที่สิ่งที่เราสายไปด้วย ท่านเจ้าสาว
What I think the only problem with tonight was there wasn't enough people sitting at our table.
Yeah, we have
I'm
a
so
lot of
full right now.
food and beer.
Full in. So full that we didn't even stick around for dessert. So anyway, guys, that's a wrap. Tired. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow, gonna do a lot of bike riding. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please click that like button, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye.